Hello and welcome. This video is to review the process for requesting new accommodation letter through the Accommodate portal. As a reminder, this process should be done at the beginning of every semester to notify your professors of your accommodations. The following video provides the step-by-step instructions for this process. First, you will go to the ODR website, academics.umw.edu/disability. You will then scroll towards the bottom of the page to find the current ODR students section and click on the link to the Accommodate portal. Then click on the Student tab presented on the screen. At this time, you will be asked to provide your UMW Net ID and password. Once on your Accommodate homepage, you will select the Accommodation tab from the main menu located on the left side of the page. From the drop-down menu, you will select Request New Accommodation Letter. On the following page, you will bypass the semester drop-down menu and click on Add New. This page is where you will click on the semester drop-down menu and select the current semester. After selecting the current semester, the classes you have registered for will appear in the column on the right side of the screen under the tabs Submit for All Accommodations and Review the Renewal. To complete your request, hit the Submit for All Accommodations tab. When you complete this step, a notification is sent to ODR staff. We will then review and process your request. Please note that once you submit your request for your letters to be sent, it may take up to 7 business days for it to be processed by an ODR staff member. Once processed, an email will be sent to each of your professors notifying them of your accommodations. You will also receive an email notification of this as well. You can also confirm your letters have been processed if you see Approved next to each accommodation listed under the Request New Accommodation Letter tab in your Accommodate portal. As a reminder, it is still your responsibility to confirm that each of your professors received your accommodation letter and to discuss your accommodation needs with each of them. Additionally, please note that if you make any changes to your class schedule, i.e. add a course, you will need to complete the Request New Accommodation Letter process again for your new class. If you have any questions or encounter any problems when requesting your accommodation letters, please email odr@umw.edu or call 540-654-1266. Thank you for viewing this video. Good luck with your classes this semester.